Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best PC cases that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a stylish airflow-focused mid-tower gaming case designed for high-performance PC builds. With a clean white design, strong cooling support, and excellent cable management, it's built for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want both performance and aesthetics. At around $69.99, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 delivers impressive value for an airflow case. It includes 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, supports large GPUs, and offers premium build quality at a surprisingly affordable price point. High airflow design. Large mesh front panel improves airflow for cooler CPU and GPU temperatures during gaming and heavy workloads. 3 pre-installed 120mm fans. Comes ready for strong cooling performance right out of the box, reducing the need for extra fan purchases. Dedicated GPU cooling support. Supports bottom-mounted fans that direct airflow straight to the graphics card for improved thermal performance. Spacious mid-tower layout. Compatible with ATX, MicroATX, and Mini-ATX motherboards, making it flexible for many PC builds. Excellent cable management. Includes routing channels, tie-down points, and hidden compartments for a cleaner-looking build. Modern white aesthetic. Minimalist design with tempered glass side panel gives the setup a premium and clean gaming look. Radiator and cooling compatibility. Supports multiple radiator sizes for users planning advanced air or liquid cooling setups. Pros. Excellent airflow and cooling performance. Includes 3 fans from the factory. Clean and premium-looking white design. Easy cable management system. Great GPU cooling support. Spacious interior for modern hardware. Cons. No RGB fans included. Front I/O selection is somewhat basic. Large size may not suit compact desk setups. Airflow-focused design may allow more dust inside over time. Number 4. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a unique fully modular mid-tower PC case designed for gamers and PC builders who want flexibility, compact size, and creative customization. Its flat-pack design makes shipping and building more interesting while maintaining strong hardware support. Priced at around $63.99, the Qube 500 Flatpack offers excellent value for builders wanting a compact yet powerful ATX case. With support for eATX motherboards, vertical GPU mounting, and dual 280mm radiators, it delivers premium flexibility at a budget-friendly price. Fully modular flat-pack design. The case ships disassembled, allowing users to customize assembly and making transportation easier. Compact mid-tower layout. Despite its smaller footprint, it supports powerful gaming hardware including large GPUs and eATX motherboards. Vertical GPU mount support. Supports vertical graphics card installation for a cleaner and more showcase-style gaming setup. Dual 280mm radiator support. Excellent compatibility for liquid cooling enthusiasts who want strong thermal performance. Tempered glass side panel. Displays internal components beautifully while maintaining a modern premium look. 1x120mm rear fan included. Comes with a pre-installed rear fan for immediate airflow support. Flexible internal layout. Modular panels and mounting options allow creative cable routing and hardware placement. Portable and space efficient. Great choice for smaller gaming setups or users who move their PC frequently. Pros. Unique modular flat-pack concept. Excellent hardware compatibility for its size. Supports eATX motherboards. Strong liquid cooling support. Stylish tempered glass design. Great customization potential. Cons. Assembly can take longer than traditional cases. Only 1 fan included out of the box. Cable management may require extra effort in compact builds. Vertical GPU riser cable may need separate purchase. Number 3. InWin A3 MicroATX. The InWin A3 MicroATX IWCSA3BLK1AM120S is a compact and stylish gaming chassis designed for small form factor builders who still want premium aesthetics, tempered glass design, and ARGB lighting support. At around $131.99, this case sits in the premium compact category. You're mainly paying for its sleek design, build quality, and ARGB feature set, rather than maximum hardware expansion like larger mid-towers. Compact gaming design. Built for space-saving setups while still supporting powerful mini-builds. Tempered glass side panel. Shows off internal components clearly for a clean, showcase-style look. Built-in ARGB fan. Comes pre-installed with an ARGB fan for immediate lighting effects and airflow. Cooling flexibility. Supports both air cooling and liquid cooling, making it suitable for modern gaming PCs. Rear PSU mounting. Clean internal layout with rear-mounted power supply design for better cable organization. Premium build quality. Solid materials and refined design typical of InWin cases. SFF-friendly focus. Ideal for compact gaming setups, LAN builds, or minimalist desks. Pros. Premium compact design with tempered glass. Built-in ARGB fan included. Good support for air and liquid cooling. Clean internal layout with rear PSU mounting. Strong aesthetic appeal for gaming setups. Cons. Higher price compared to basic compact cases. Limited expansion space versus mid-tower cases. Not ideal for very large GPU or extreme builds. Airflow depends heavily on fan configuration. Number 2. Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow. The Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow is a stylish white ATX-compatible gaming case designed for airflow, aesthetics, and high-performance PC builds with a dual tempered glass showcase design. At just $69.99, this case offers outstanding value. You get 3 pre-installed ARGB fans, support for 360mm radiators, and a premium dual glass design, features usually found in more expensive cases. Dual tempered glass panels. Front and side glass panels create a full showcase view of your build, perfect for RGB setups. 3x 120mm ARGB fans included. Comes ready with vibrant lighting and solid airflow right out of the box. ATX support. Spacious interior fits large motherboards and high-end gaming components. Strong cooling potential. Supports up to 360mm radiators, making it great for liquid cooling systems. Clean white snow aesthetic. Minimalist white design ideal for modern gaming or workstation builds. Bottom PSU mount design. Helps improve cable management and keeps airflow unobstructed. Airflow plus water cooling support. Flexible cooling options for both air-cooled and AIO liquid setups. Pros. Excellent value for the price. 3 ARGB fans included. Premium dual glass aesthetic. Strong radiator and cooling support. ATX compatibility for high-end builds. Clean white design looks very modern. Cons. Stock fans may not be ultra-premium quality. Glass panels can attract fingerprints easily. Cable management is decent but not top tier. Airflow depends on additional fan upgrades for high-end GPUs. Number 1. Lian Li A3-mATX. The Lian Li A3-mATX 26.3L is a compact, premium modular chassis designed in collaboration with DAN cases, built for high-performance MicroATX and ITX gaming builds in a small 26.3L footprint. At around $89.99, this case is positioned in the premium compact segment. You're paying for Lian Li build quality, modular flexibility, and strong cooling support, especially impressive for such a small form factor. Ultra-compact 26.3L design. Small footprint but still supports powerful gaming hardware for tight desk setups. Flexible PSU installation. Multiple power supply mounting options help optimize space and airflow. 360mm AIO liquid cooling support. Rare for a compact case, great for high-performance CPUs and gaming rigs. Modular internal layout. Designed for customization and easy component arrangement. MicroATX and ITX support. Perfect for SFF builders who want more power than typical ITX cases. Premium Lian Li build quality. Strong materials and clean industrial design for long-lasting durability. DAN collaboration design. Focused on efficiency, airflow optimization, and compact performance builds. Pros. Excellent build quality and premium feel. Extremely compact yet powerful capability. Supports large 360mm AIO cooling. Highly modular and flexible layout. Great for SFF gaming enthusiasts. Cons. No pre-installed fans included. Cable management can be challenging in tight space. Higher cost for a compact case. Requires careful planning for optimal airflow. If you're building a compact but powerful gaming PC, the Lian Li A3-mATX 26.3L is a top-tier choice. Check the link in the description for the best current price. Like this video if it helped. Subscribe for more PC build reviews and comparisons.